नमस्कार, वास्तव चक्र न्यूज़ में आप सभी प्रेक्षकों का स्वागत। कोरोना के नाम पर लूट रहे लाखों रुपए, प्राइवेट अस्पताल पर लगी रोक। पिंपरी चिंचवड शहर के सभी प्राइवेट अस्पतालों पर अब जॉइंट कमिश्नर एन बाबू की नज़र। जॉइंट कमिश्नर श्री R.N. बाबू ने प्राइवेट अस्पतालों को नए निर्देश और नियमों के बारे में बताया। उसकी जानकारी वास्तव चक्र न्यूज़ से भी साझा की। उन्होंने बताया कि कोरोना पेशेंट की एंट्री और एग्ज़िट सेपरेट होनी चाहिए। पेशेंट का कोविड वार्ड सेपरेट होना चाहिए। एडमिशन के वक्त डिपॉजिट की ज़बरदस्ती नहीं होनी चाहिए। पहले पेशेंट का इलाज करना चाहिए। ICU जनरल वार्ड के चार्जेस एज़ पर गवर्नमेंट गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से होंगे। PP किट की नॉर्मल चार्जेस होंगी। अब तक प्राइवेट अस्पतालों में कम से कम 48 बेड की सुविधा होनी चाहिए। अगर कोई प्राइवेट अस्पताल बिना अनुमति के कोविड पेशेंट का इलाज करता है, जिसे कोविड पेशेंट का इलाज करने की अनुमति नहीं है, तो उस पर कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाएगी। आगे की जानकारी देते हुए जॉइंट कमिश्नर एन बाबू
that the private corporate hospitals are being charged exorbitant bills from the corona patients since many days. So in order to curb these allegations and to inquire into the matters, the Maharashtra government has appointed one inquiry committee under my leadership. I am N. Ashok Babu, Joint Commissioner of Income Tax. So I am going around these private corporate hospitals to inquire into the bills, what kind of charges they are being made. We had already visited Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital on last Wednesday, DY Patil Hospital on last Friday, and today we are here at City Care Hospital. I advise all the corporate hospitals mainly to follow the instructions. Namely, they should manage a separate entry and exit for these corona patients. Second thing, the number of beds mandated by the government, please, they should come up with the number of beds. Third thing, they are not advised to. They are advised not to force the corona patients for immediate advance. Immediately, they should start the treatment, and whatever is that charge, they can inform it to the patients later. So I advise all corporate hospitals to start the treatment immediately when the corona patient arrives at their hospital. And the fourth thing, we are inquiring into all cash bills. Wherever these yellow card patients are there, we have found out some issues with some hospitals. We are asking them for their explanation. It is in the process, apart from PPE kits, they are charging for some initial charges, something else also. So we have asked them not to resort to that, and to give their explanation. As of now, this is the process, and we will visit the rest of the hospitals in the due course of time. Another two important instructions to the private corporate hospitals I would like to give. They should maintain this rate chart at a very exhibiting place. They should exhibit it so that everybody should see it. Second thing, they are not supposed to keep the asymptomatic patients in the ward of corona ward. This is in order to ensure if the corona patients arrive there, there should not be any problem for the corona patients. All beds should be exclusively available for the corona patients.